Yes, so let's discuss about the next protocols apart from HTTP, FTP and Telnet, which we have already discussed. Let me try to revise it frequently. We have discussed HTTP port number 80. We have discussed about FTP port number 20 and 21. 20 for data connection, 21 is for control connection. And Telnet port number 23 for remote connections. Now we are on email protocols which is used in application layer, that is SMTP, POP3 and IMAP4. So let's start. SMTP is normally simple mail transfer protocol. So we can write SMTP is a text-based protocol. Text-based protocol, right? Normally stands for abbreviated for simple mail transfer protocol. Simple mail transfer protocol, SMTP. But with the help of one extension that is called as MIME. That is called as MIME, multi-purpose internet mail extension. But with the help of MIME extension, MIME stands for multi-purpose internet mail extension. With the help of it, we can also send graphical data. But with the help of MIME extension, we can also send graphical data. Graphical data, right? Normally, SMTP uses port number 25. Port number 25 used by SMTP, right? So important point is, now it also uses, SMTP also uses transmission control protocol, TCP, as a transport layer protocol. TCP as a transport layer protocol. TCP as a transport layer protocol will be used in SMTP. Now, normally, let's say here is a client and client's system is connected to mail server, and let's say it is client X. One more client is there, let's say client Y, right? And this is mail server. So basically, if some information is there on mail server, then there can be two things. We want to push and we want to pop. It means that we want to send the data, or we want to send data, or we want to receive the data. So basically, SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, normally will be worked as a push protocol. It will be worked as a push protocol. Push protocol means to transfer the message, to sending the message to the mail server, and from that mail server to receive the message by client Y, it will be worked as a POP. It will be worked as a POP protocol. So POP protocol are normally POP3 or and IMAP4. So IMAP4 and POP3 will be used as a POP protocol, and with the help of that, the message will be retrieved from the mail server and will be taken by client Y. Whereas client X will send the message to the mail server with the help of push protocol, that is SMTP. So one very important difference here between SMTP, POP3 and IMAP4 is SMTP is a push protocol, whereas POP3 and IMAP4 are POP protocols. POP protocol is for retrieving and for transmitting SMTP, that is push protocol. Right. Now, if we talk about POP3, then we can say that it is also known as pull protocol. POP protocol, or you can simply say that it is also called as pull protocol. POP3 is a pull protocol because they are used for retrieving mails from mail server. Because they are used for retrieving emails from mail servers. That is why it is called as pull protocol. Where is SMTP was push protocol. Now, if SMTP if SMTP get combined with IMAP4, IMAP4 is also a pull protocol, right? That is Internet Message Access Protocol. So if SMTP combined with IMAP4 protocol, it is a client-to-client protocol. It will be called as client-to-client protocol. Client-to-client protocol. With the mediation done by mail server. The mediation will be done by this mail server. And if we can say that SMTP will be combined with POP3. If SMTP will be combined with POP3, then it will generate asynchronous protocol. It will be generated as a asynchronous protocol. It will be generated as a asynchronous protocol because their clocks need not be synchronized. The clocks of client X and clock of client Y need not be synchronized. So SMTP plus POP3 will be generated as a asynchronous protocol, but SMTP plus IMAP4 will be called as client-to-client protocol. That is done by mediating a mail server. Now, IMAP4 basically it is called as Internet Message Access Protocol, right? Internet Message Access Protocol, IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. Mails can be kept in hierarchy. In case of IMAP4, mails can be kept in hierarchy. Whereas in POP3, there are no properties like this. IMAP4 normally uses port number 143. IMAP normally uses 143 as a port number, and it is more secure than POP3. It is more secure than POP3 because it is not going to download the file until it is scanned. You know that whenever right now in emails, if you are using emails, if you want to download any file, it would be first scanned from viruses, and after scanning successfully, it will be downloaded to your system, right? So it is more secure because after scanning the file, it will download. After scanning the file, it will download. That is why it is more secure. But if we talk about POP3, no such mechanism is here. That is why it is less secure than IMAP4. That is why it is not used right now as a pull protocol. IMAP4 is used as a pull protocol right now in Gmails and other mails because of its security. Right. So if we talk about POP3 uses 1110, port number 110, POP3, IMAP4 port number 143, and SMTP port number 25. So all the differences between these SMTP, POP3 and IMAP4 should be clear, right?